Hey everyone, it's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this unit from Joedir here on Amazon.com. So if you're interested in this jet black wavy lace front unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I will be showcasing this unit from Joedir here on Amazon.com. Now this unit is a jet black, like it's really black. I actually tried it on again because I tried it on beforehand. And today I just noticed how dark it is, but I do love the black color. I haven't had a truly jet black unit in quite some time, so this is a very nice unit here. So this unit is a 24-inch wavy lace front unit, and the specs of this unit is a 130% density, and it's also the parting space is a middle part space right here. The lace on it is quite noticeable, so you can definitely add your powders, concealers, what have you, to make the lace a little bit more natural. That's what I love about this unit. The parting space is quite natural, and it's not like it's hiding somewhere. And also the parting space is quite flat at the top here, so I didn't have to do anything more than just cut the lace and plop it on my head. It is quite easy, throw on and go type of unit. You don't have to do too much to it, unless if you want to add some more powder, more color to the parting space. You can definitely do that to make it look more natural. I do like the length, and the density makes it look great as well. It is not too thin, there are no tracks showing or anything like that, so that's a great sign. And also no shedding. I had like a little bit of shedding, just a tiny bit, not too noticeable. I probably don't even remember if I even saw any once I cut the lace off, but it has no sort of shedding. I pull my hands through it and it's so easy to just pull through. A very nice unit. It feels very nice in the hands. For something that is synthetic, I think is quite well. The ends of it, as you can see, it has that nice little feather tip at the end, so it is a nice unit. I do like this a lot. It's very nice, it's light on the head, and it fits really well. There are combs in this unit. There are two combs at the front, one at the back with adjustable straps, so you can definitely adjust it to your liking. It is a comfortable fit with a standard size cap, so it can fit pretty much anybody. So as far as any cons, I don't have any cons. I do like this unit a lot. It is light, it is easy to wear, and it's very easy to throw on and go. So for those who are looking for this type of style and you're a first time wig wearer, it's not too long, it's not too short. It is on the trendy side, because you know this is the type of unit that is out there right now. And especially if you're looking for something of this style and you're trying to figure out if it looks good on you, you can definitely try this. And if it doesn't fit you or you don't like it, you can always return it through Prime. You can definitely go ahead and do that. So thank you so much, Joedir here, for reaching out to me to review this unit. I truly appreciate it. And also I would leave a link directly to this unit right down below, and to their social media pages as well as their website. So look down in the description box. It's very detailed, so you can check it out there. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below, and I'll see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.